Commanders nawo amabhasi abuye KZN maningi lana ku N3 ayaphuma i29 and manje ngathi itidi izowathola aloku alana endleleni ngoba qulu N3 wonke lo
siyabonga amaZulu amazulu bengeke kwenzeke lutho la sibonga amadoda amaZulu la eMpumalanga sibonile ukuthi amadoda wekho namadoda afikile asukumise amadoda basha amaZulu siyabonga
sikubalile babonakala sikwenzakala ngalo senzeni babonakala
siyaqhubeka asikamami manje amadoda wamaZulu sibonga amadoda wamaZulu bangekho amaZulu bengeke kwenzeke konke lokho siyabonga amaZulu sibonga uShaka amadoda magwala amaphandle angeke kuphelile ngamana kuphelile bomama akuphelile bomama le masho ukuthi zibe khona sicala siyu5 siyu3 bantu bayakhithika endleleni kodwa namhlanje kuphumelelekile
sibonga abantu kufika kwabo
ngobuningi babazamile bathi bayasabotage bathi mashini masha iKwi Bank sikhona thina simele sayibonga antibaze baphume bonke bahambe ene bazohamba
siyabonga
yini esipayile la sisi
kwenzakalani lana kwenzakalani kade ufifi lo Action is kill.
South Africa ngiyanibikelela nonke the whole South Africa ngithi ninjani ngithi namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale ndoda le my president Phakela Mthakathi ngikhulumile ke video yami eyakuqala ngithi Phakela Mthakathi ngizwe Jazinto ngiyabathanda ngikhulumana namhlanje ngithi lo baba lo my president I love ngiyamuthanda kakhulu ngiyamuthanda ngithi halala Phakela Mthakathi halala ngize mcuno halala Jazinto halala niyalithatha lelizwe ngifuna ukuthi nina noma ningena ningathathi labantu bakudala balika amapolitiki nina ngenani nisihambise zizonilandela ngilapha eMpumalanga la ngiyasiyazi isiZulu khona manje ngiyafunda la ka TikTok la ngithi halala
on. Well, we have come out of a very successful meeting with the Santaco in KZN today, and sivumelene ngokuthi there will obviously be taxis as per usual. And njengoba sishilo nathi ukuthi we're just marching, we don't know where all the excitement comes from. So they also have listened to us, basizwa, and they are going to be more than happy to continue to operate. So bonke abantu abadinga ama taxi ahambayo to come to the march, guys, please khulekani. Taxis will be available tomorrow, and they'll be operational fully. And like we said, abadinga emsebenzini abaya emsebenzini, etc. But akukho la esingazwani khona on the issue of illegal immigration in the country, and you know that is the core of what we're fighting for. So akukho laba phikisana nokuthi vele umuntu osezweni ngemthetho must go, but they will not be as implied by government ukuthi bazobe bengasebenzi, because we have never said that. So guys, if you need transport to come to the march and come to all the marches tomorrow, go ahead. There'll be plenty of taxis operational. And for those who are on our March and March page, please keep it there, because some communities have come together and they have pulled together some transport. People are organizing themselves, going in groups. So please keep on our page. We'll be sharing with you where some of these places in Mele and Nizek. I know some of you are complaining that you might not have transport, etc., etc. Go on our page and you'll find usizo, especially mangaba unayo transports. Go to March and March page, go there and meet up with other who are organizing themselves. But sasa sohlangana khona. Thank you very much.
Kumusko kumumakarapa matacontsele jebenile phu sukile kusasa mhla 30 June. Siyabona indawo eziningi ziredi, siyabona impela amaphoyisa ayavivi impela konakele 600 million siyabona. Asazi noma uphelele kodwa siyabona impela ikhona ezokuphepha ziqine ngendlela exakile. Siyabona eGoli ukuthi impela ikhona kuyanyakazwa nakhona eThekwini isiphithiphithi eThekwini kumnyama yonke indawo amaphoyisa agcwele yonke indawo konakele ukuthi imashi yaqhubeka. Izosuka kuphi na? Izosuka eKing Dinizulu Park imashi kusasa eThekwini. Ziyakhala amabhasi everywhere. Marian Hill ngo 7 o'clock ekuseni. Yonke indawo konanda amabhasi akhona ya ku main road. Ziyakhala kusasa ukuthi imashi is on. Danko.